Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In my first video, as you probably already saw from the title, I will be doing a DIY of a lip scrub. A lip scrub is a must. It keeps our lips very soft and makes them much easier for us to apply lipstick. I also want to ask you guys to leave suggestions below of types of videos I could make, because I don't really know what types of videos I should make. Please do that, and without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you are going to need Vaseline, a bowl, a spoon, some sugar, a small container, and a chapstick of any flavor. I chose red velvet, but of course you are free to choose any flavor you'd like. Now that you have everything you need, let's get started. So, start by putting the Vaseline into the bowl. Followed by the chapstick. And the sugar. There are no specific amounts. The grainier you want it to be, the more sugar you need to add. And if you feel like you have added too much sugar, just add a little more Vaseline. That's simple. Now all you need to do is mix everything. And when you're finished, just put it into your container. And there you go! You have your lip scrub. Hello again guys! So here I have my lip scrub, which I'll try right now. It actually feels super great, and it tastes even better because of the sugar. I think you guys really should try it. It's really good for your skin. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of my videos, make sure to subscribe down below. Yes, and that's all for today, so bye! Okay, so I kind of forgot to introduce myself. My name is Thelma, and I'm a 17-year-old girl who loves fashion and beauty stuff, and that's why I decided to create a beauty channel